Tariffs might sound complicated, but today we're breaking it down super easy. Trump's new tariffs could hit your wallet hard. What are tariffs? Simply put, tariffs are extra taxes on imported goods. Trump is adding a 25% tax on products from Canada and Mexico and increasing tariffs on Chinese goods to 20%. That means items you buy may cost more because of these added taxes. The domino effect. Think of it like dominoes. First, tariffs raise the price of imported parts. Second, U.S. companies pay more for these parts. Third, they raise prices on finished products, cars, houses, groceries. Fourth, global trade slows down and jobs are at risk. How it affects you? Here's how it hits you. Higher prices. Everyday items become more expensive. Costlier repairs. Products like cars may cost more to fix. Job risks. Companies might cut back on hiring or even lay off workers. Basically, your money won't go as far as it used to. Global ripple effects. And it doesn't stop here. Other countries might fight back with their own tariffs, causing a chain reaction that makes prices climb even higher. It's a domino effect that could disrupt the entire global economy. And that affects you. Domino effect equals higher costs for you. In a nutshell, Trump's tariffs start a chain reaction that can raise your bills, hurt jobs, and change how the economy works, all hitting your everyday life.